To change the band on your Bobo bird watch, you will need a little tool just like this one to push on the pin that is just right here. If you want this tool, you can order it from the link in the description from a kit to do the maintenance on your watch. And the only thing you need to do is to push like that until the pin goes out. Then once you remove it, well, as you can see, the band just falls apart. You just need to do the very same thing on the other side and then bring your new band. When you want to put the new band in, just take the pin, set it inside that hole right here, bring the new band like that and push it inside. Once it's reached the other side, you can try to push it with your nail, and I like to finish it with that very same tool. Just like that. And this is how you change your band on your Bobo bird watch.